Hello students and good morning. So now I'm doing class for class 12 science. The topic is the same topic that we were doing in the last online class, that is standard integrals from the book Higher Mathematics for class 12 by Sailendra. Same exercise, this is exercise 6b, right? So this is your exercise 6b. This is from 4 marks section. This is from 4 marks section, and this is page number. Page number is 363. Okay, so from the book Higher Mathematics for class 12 by Sailendra, right? So let's do this question number 4. You have to integrate integral sine dx divided by x square plus 4x plus 8, right? So let us first write I is equal to integration of dx divided by, this is x square plus 4x plus 8. Now you have to convert this integration into standard integral. Now you know standard integral, there are 6 standard form. You should know all this standard form, right? So in this case, dx divided by x square plus 4x is also there, constant 8 is also there. So you have to convert this, first of all, x square plus 4x, you should convert it into perfect square form, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square form. And always you should remember that the coefficient of x square should be positive 1. So here the coefficient of x square is already positive 1. त्यसलाई हामीले पोजिटिभ 1 बनाइरहनु परेन, अलरेडी क्वेशनमा नै यो पोजिटिभ 1 छदैछ। त x स्क्वायर प्लस 4x लाई हामीले डाइरेक्ट स्ट्यान्डर्ड फर्ममा लान सक्दैनौ, त पहिला हामी के फर्ममा लान्छौं, यसलाई a स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर फर्ममा लान्छौं। केलाई x स्क्वायर प्लस 4x लाई, ठीक छ? सो or I is equal to integration of this is dx, what is a whole square? This is x whole square plus 2 into a means x. Here the value for a is x, isn't it? Here you should be the value for a, that is x. So it is 2x. By which number will you multiply this 2x to get 4x? That means the value for b will be 2. So that it will be 2 into 2, 4x. Plus, what is b whole square? It is 2 whole square. That is, it is in the form a square plus 2ab plus b whole square. So it is x square, we are getting x square, plus 4x is also there, but there is plus 4, but here it is plus 8. So plus 4 is not there. You first write plus 8, then you can write this 4 is not there, so you have to write minus 4. Is that clear? So or I is equal to integration of, this is dx divided by, this is your x plus 2 whole square, right? Then plus, what is 8 minus 4? That is your 4. Is it clear now? So now you can convert it into standard form. Here x is x plus 2 and here a square is 4. That means this 4 can be written in terms of whole square. So or it is I is equal to integration of, this is dx divided by x plus 2 whole square plus, what is 4? How will you write 4? 2 whole square, right? So this is your 2 whole square. Is that clear? So instead of x there is x plus 2 and instead of a there is 2. This is your x square plus a square form. So this is integration of dx divided by x square plus a square. So you can use this standard form, that is integration of dx divided by x square plus a square. What is the formula? So this is the first standard form, which is, this is 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a plus c. Is that clear? So here instead of x there is x plus 2 and instead of a there is 2. So we can use that standard form, isn't it? So or I is equal to 1 upon a means 1 upon 2 tan inverse within bracket x by a. What is x by a? X is x plus 2 divided by What is A here? It is 2. Then you can write plus C. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 5. The question is, you have to integrate integral sine dx divided by 6x square plus 7x plus 2. So now in this case also you can convert it into standard form, but in this case this expression can be factorized. So if the expression can be factorized, factorize it and convert it into partial fraction form. That will be easier for you to calculate this integration. Okay, so you may convert it into standard form also. If this expression cannot be factorized, then you have to convert it into standard integral. Now this expression can be factorized, isn't it? So you have to factorize it. Okay, you may convert it into standard integral also. So let us factorize it, because it can be factorized. So I is equal to integral sine dx divided by 6x square plus 7x plus 2. It can be factorized by middle term breaking. So let us factorize it. Okay, so 6x square plus 7x plus 2. Let us do the middle term breaking here. So it is 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. If you multiply those two numbers, you should get 12. And after adding, because before 2 there is plus sign, and after adding you should get 7. That is 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12 and 4 plus 3 is 7, isn't it? So let us write here 6x square plus this is 4 plus 3 into x plus 2, which is equal to this is 6x square plus 4x plus 3x plus 2. So which is equal to, now what is common from the first two terms? It is 2x. So it is 2x within bracket 2x, oh sorry, this is 3x. This will be your 3x plus 2 plus 1 common. So it is 3x plus 2, which is equal to, this is 3x plus 2 into 2x plus 1. So these are the factors of 6x square plus 7x plus 2. Is that understood? So let us write it here. Or I is equal to integration of dx divided by, what are those factors? It is 3x plus 2 into 2x plus 1. So it is 2x plus 1. Is that clear to all of you? So this is the fraction and these are the two factors. You can convert into partial fraction form. That is the sum of the two fractions or the difference of the two fractions, so that you can easily separate the integral and then you can integrate it. Okay, so let us convert this fraction into partial fraction. So how will you convert it? Let 1 upon this is 3x plus 2 into 2x plus 1 is equal to capital A divided by 3x plus 2, plus you may write here plus or minus sign, divided by 2x plus 1 divided by this is 2x plus 1. Let us mark it as number 1. Okay, so let us get these values of this constant a and b by simplifying it. Okay, so left hand side keep it as it is. This is 3x plus 2 into 2x plus 1 is equal to, what's the LCM out here? This is 3x plus 2 into this is 2x plus 1. Is that clear? Next, capital A into 2x plus 1, it is simplified. B into 3x plus 2. Now this is the LCM. This LCM is divided by 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2 will be cancelled. So 2x plus 1 is multiplied by A. Here also, this LCM is divided by 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 gets cancelled. 3x plus 2, it is multiplied by B. Okay. So here you can cancel this LCM. Or now it is 1 is equal to A into 2x plus 1 plus B into this is 3x plus 2. Is that clear to all of you? So I think you have understood it. So in order to get the value for capital A, you have to make this second term 0 by putting some values of x. What is the value for x here? So that b into 0 will be 0. So you put x is equal to minus 2 by 3. So putting x is equal to minus 2 by 3. If you put x is equal to minus 2 by 3 here, this will be minus 2 by 3, 3 will be cancelled. Minus 2 plus 2 will be 0. So therefore it will be 1 is equal to a within bracket 2 into minus 2 by 3 plus 1, or 1 is equal to a into, what is it? It is 3 ones are 3. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1 divided by 3, isn't it? Right? 3 ones are 3. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1 divided by 3. Or what is the value for capital A? Capital A is equal to minus 3. So capital A is equal to minus 3. So now in order to get the value for B, you have to make this first term 0 by putting some values of x. What is the value for x here? So that this first term will be 0, A will be 0, x is equal to minus 1 upon 2. So putting x is equal to minus 1 upon 2. If we put x is equal to minus 1 upon 2, 2 will be cancelled. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So first term is 0. So therefore 1 is equal to b into 3 into minus half plus 2, right? Or, is that clear? So 1 is equal to a into this 2 into minus half plus 1 will be 0. So this will be 3 into minus half plus 2. So what do we get? 1 is equal to b into, this is 2 2s are 4 minus 3, 1. 4 minus 3 is 1, 1 by 2. So what is the value for b in this case? So here b is equal to 2. So I think you have understood it. Okay. So now let us put these values of a and b in 1. So let us put these values of a and b in 1. So let us write here, putting the values of a and b in 1. Putting the values of a and b in 1. Right? So what do we get in 1? So 1 becomes therefore 1 upon, this is 3x plus 2 into 2x plus 1, which is equal to 1 upon 3x plus 2 into 2x plus 1 is equal to, what is the value for capital A? Minus 3 divided by 3x plus 2, plus sign is there, isn't it? Plus, what is B? 2. 2 divided by 2x plus 1. 2 divided by 2x plus 1. So it is factorized. So I think you have understood it. Okay. So if you simplify these two expressions, you will get this left hand side. So let us take it. So what's the LCM? 3x plus 2 into 2x plus 1 is the LCM. So numerator will be minus 6x minus 3 plus 6x plus 4. Minus 6x plus 6x will be cancelled. And what is 4 minus 3? That is 1. So this is the correct values of a and b. That is a is equal to minus 3 and b is equal to 2. So let us put these values in I. Now, instead of this expression 1 upon 3x plus 2 into 2x plus 1, you have to write down this partial fraction. This is known as what? Partial fraction. So what is I now? So therefore I is equal to integration of within bracket. This fraction can be written in terms of this partial fraction. So it is minus 3 divided by 3x plus 2 upon, this is 2x plus 1 bracket closed dx. So I think you have understood it. Now you can easily separate this integration and then you can integrate it. Okay. So or I is equal to minus 3 constant taken outside, integration of dx divided by 3x plus 2 plus again which constant is here? 2. Integral sign, this is dx divided by, this is your 2x plus 1. So I think you have understood it. Okay, so now we can easily integrate them. Or I is equal to minus 3 into, so how will we integrate dx divided by 3x plus 2? Here the power of x is 1. So you can't use standard integral here because here the power of x is 1. So this 3x plus 2 can be taken as x. What is integration dx by x? It is log x, log within mod x, isn't it? So it will be log within mod, what is x here? It is 3x plus 2 mod sign close, the base is z, but which function was taken as x to integrate it? 3x plus 2. Again you have to differentiate it. So what is the differentiation of 3x plus 2 with respect to x? It is 3 into 1 plus 0, that is 3. So in case of differentiation you have to multiply by 3. But this is the case of integration, you have to divide it by what? It is 3. Similarly, how can you integrate dx divided by 2x plus 1? Similarly, this is plus 2 into, this is log within mod 2x plus 1, the base is e, this whole divided by differentiation of the function which is assumed as x. That is, what is the differentiation of 2x plus 1? It is 2. So it is divided by 2. Then what do we write? Then you have to write plus c. So here 2 gets cancels. Here this 3 will be cancelled. Or I is equal, let us write down the positive term first. That it is log within mod 2x plus 1 base e minus log within mod 3x plus 2 base e. Then what do we write? Plus c. Is that clear now? So again you can use the properties of logarithm here. That is log a minus log b. What is the formula log a minus log b? What is the properties of logarithm in this case? Log of a by b. So it is 2x plus 1 divided by 3x plus 2 mod sign closed base e, then plus c. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 6. You have to integrate integral sign dx divided by 1 plus x minus x square. So let us first write I is equal to integration of dx divided by 1 plus x minus x square. Okay, but this expression cannot be factorized. Can you factorize it? 1 plus x minus x square? No. You have to convert it into standard form now. Standard formula. Before that, always make the coefficient of x square positive 1. If it is minus, you have to take minus sign common and make it positive 1. Okay, always make the coefficient of x square positive 1. Then you have to convert it into perfect square form. Okay, x square is also there, x is also there, 1 is also there. So or I is equal to integration of, this is dx divided by minus taken common. So within bracket it is x square minus into plus minus x minus into plus, this is minus 1, right? So minus sign right by the non-canon, because we are taking minus common ourselves only. Don't take this minus sign outside. Again you have to simplify the denominator by minus sign to make some terms as positive and some term as negative. Okay, so now let us convert this x square minus x in terms of perfect square. So or I is equal to integration of dx divided by minus, now within second bracket, x square minus x, you have to convert into perfect square form. What is a whole square? X whole square minus 2 into what is a? X into, now there is only x. By which number will you multiply this 2x to make it x half, isn't it? So it is 1 upon 2. This is the value for b. What is b whole square now? This is half whole square. So now in this case we are getting this x square. This is correct. This is also minus x. This is also correct. But this is 1 upon 2 whole square is 1/4. Is there 1/4? No, you have to cancel it. So first of all you write minus half, because minus 1 is there. You first write minus 1 here because minus 1 is there. Then what is half whole square? 1/4. Is it 1/4 out here? No. So write minus 1/4. So second bracket is closed. So I think you have understood it. Okay. So next, or I is equal to integral sign. This is dx divided by minus within second bracket. This is a square minus twice ab plus b whole square. What is the formula? It is x minus half whole square, right? And minus 1 minus 1/4. This is minus 1 minus 1/4. Same sign. You have to add them. So minus same sign is there. You have to add them. So it is 4 ones are 4 plus 1 is 5. So it is minus 5/4. So it is minus 5/4. Second bracket is closed. So I think you have understood it. I hope you have understood this simplification. Okay. So again multiply by minus sign here. So minus into minus plus 5/4. Write down the positive term first. Or I is equal to integration of dx divided by. Now multiply by minus sign. Minus into minus plus 5/4. It is 5/4. Then minus into this plus minus. This is x minus half whole square. So this is x minus half whole square. So I think you have understood it. So 5/4 minus x minus half whole square, you have to write it in standard form. You have to write it in standard integral form. So or I is equal to integration of dx divided by, how will you write this 5/4 in terms of whole square? It is root 5 upon 2 whole square minus, this is x minus half whole square. Now this is your standard integral. So which standard integral is this one? This is the third standard integral, that is integration of dx divided by a square minus x square is equal to, what is the formula? 1/2a log within mod a plus x upon a minus x mod sign closed base e plus c. Okay. So here a is, what is a? Here the value for a is root 5 upon 2, and what is the value for x? It is x minus half. So we can use this standard form, isn't it? So or I is equal to, what is the formula? 1 upon 2 into, what is a? Root 5/2. Now it is log within mod. What is a plus x? What is a? A is root 5/2 plus, what is x? X minus half. X plus into minus half divided by, in the denominator what will you write? A minus x, isn't it? So here a is root 5/2 minus x minus into minus plus half, mod sign closed, and here the base is e, then it is plus c. Okay. So here 2 gets cancels. So in the numerator and in the denominator you can simplify the term. So what's the LCM in the numerator? It is 2, and in the denominator it is also 2. So 2 gets cancels. So or I is equal to, this is 1/5. This is 1/5 log within mod. It is root 5 plus 2x minus 1, isn't it? Divided by root 5 minus 2x plus 1, mod sign closed, the base is e, then it is plus c. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. This question is very, very important. You can mark it. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is 7 number 1. You have to integrate integral sine x dx divided by 4x to the power 4 plus 4x square plus 5. So here you cannot directly change it into standard integral form or in a perfect square form, because there is x in the numerator also. In the numerator there is x. Okay, so differentiation of which function may be x. Differentiation of which function is x? That is your x square, isn't it? What is the differentiation of x square? It is 2x. 2 is constant. The 2 लाई हामी यताउता मिलाउन सकिहाल्छौं. So first of all, you have to make this x to the power 4 as x square whole square, and this x square remains same. Then we can do the method of substitution here. Let us put z is equal to x square, because this differentiation, it will be x or 2x, isn't it? So in this case, you have to use the method of substitution, and then you have to convert into standard form. So this 7 number 2 is similar type of question is there. You can do it at home. So 7 number 2 is integral sine x dx divided by x to the power 4 minus x square plus 1. So you can do this 7 number 2 as homework. This 7 number 1 and 7 number 2 are of similar type of question. Okay, so let's do this 7 number 1 here. So I is equal to integration of, this is x dx divided by 4x to the power 4 plus 4x square, then it is 5 plus 5. Okay, now differentiation of which function is x? X square. It is 2x. Okay, so let us make this x to the power 4 as x square. So I is equal to integration of x dx divided by 4 into, this is x square whole square plus 4x square plus this is 5. Is that clear? Now you can do the method of substitution. Let us substitute. Let us substitute z for x square. Let us substitute z for x square. So let z is equal to x square. Okay, so here let us write differentiating while doing method of substitution, that is z is equal to x square. We are putting z is equal to x square, so you have to differentiate both the sides with respect to x. So differentiating both the sides with respect to x, so it is dz by dx is equal to 2x, cross multiply, or dz is equal to, this is 2x dx. Now 2 can be taken to the left hand side, so it is dz by 2 is equal to x dx. Because in the numerator there is only x dx, so get the value for x dx. What is the value for x dx? It is dz upon 2. Okay, so now what does I become? So I is equal to, this is integration of, what is x dx? It is dz upon 2, this whole divided by, in the denominator what do we write? 4 is same, 4, what is x square whole square? That is your z square, plus 4z plus 4z, then you have to write plus 5. So now which is the constant here that you can take outside? So or I is equal to, this is half is constant taken outside, integral sine dz divided by, it is 4z square plus 4z plus 5. Can it be factorized? This is quadratic expression, but it cannot be factorized. Okay, so if it cannot be factorized, you have to convert it into standard integral form, or you have to convert this 4z square plus 4z in terms of perfect square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b whole square. So I already told you that whenever you convert this z square term and z in terms of perfect square, or a square plus 2ab plus b square, or a square minus 2ab plus b whole square, always make the coefficient of z square positive 1. Is that clear? So let us take this 4 common out here, or I is equal to half integration of, this is dz divided by, here 4 is taken common, so within bracket z square plus z plus it is 5 upon 4. So to make the coefficient of z square as positive 1, you take 4 as common in this case. So 4 is taken common here, so within bracket we have z square plus z plus 5 by 4. Okay, now this 4 is constant, you can take it outside, or I is equal to, this is 1 upon 8 integral sine dz divided by. Now this z square plus z can be converted into perfect square form, that is a square plus 2ab plus b whole square. So what is a whole square? It is z whole square plus 2 into what is a? Z. What should be the value for b here so that we can have z only? It is half, isn't it? So half. So 2 will be cancelled and you will get only z. Here the value for b is half. What is b whole square? This is half whole square. Is that clear to all of you? So this is z square, this is also z square, that is correct. 2 gets cancelled, it is z, that is also z. But it is 1/4. Is there 1/4? No, we don't have 1/4 out there. You have to cancel it. First you write plus 5 by 4 because 5 by 4 is there. Then you have to write, you have to cancel this half whole square. Okay, what is half whole square? 1/4. So it should be subtracted, minus 1/4. So I think you have understood it. Okay, so let us simplify it now. Or I is equal to 1 upon 8 integration of, this is dz divided by. Now this is your a whole square plus twice ab plus b whole square. What is the formula? It is z plus half. It is a plus b whole square. Is that clear now? Next, what is 5 by 4 minus 1 by 4? You can simplify it, 4 by 4, which is equal to 1. So plus this 1 can be written in terms of whole square, that is 1 whole square. Is that clear? So now this is the first standard integral. Instead of x there is z plus half, and what is a? This is 1. Okay, so this is the first standard form, that is integral sine dx divided by x square plus a square. You know this formula, isn't it? That is the first standard form. This is 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a plus c. This is the first standard form. We can use the first standard form in this case. So instead of x here, this is z plus half and a is 1. You have to write down this constant 1 upon 8 into 1 upon a, 1 upon 1. Here a is 1. Then you have to write tan inverse within bracket x by a. What is x by a? That is x is z plus half divided by 1. Then what do we write? Plus c. Is that clear? Now put the value for z, or this is I is equal to 1 upon 8. This is tan inverse within bracket. What is the value for z? Z is x square. So you have to write here x square plus half. Bracket closed plus c. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. So this 7 number 2 is similar type of question. So 7 number 2 is your homework. So in this case, first we did the method of substitution, and after that we have converted it into standard integral form. Okay, so I think you have understood it. This question is very, very important. So this question is from HS question paper also. Okay, now let's do next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 8. So question number 8 is integral sine e to the power x dx divided by 5 minus 4 e to the power x minus e to the power 2x. So in this case also you have to do the method of substitution, and in the numerator there is e to the power x dx. So differentiation of which function is e to the power x? That is e to the power x only. That is differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x. Okay. So you have to make this term e to the power 2x, which is in the denominator, in the form of e to the power x whole square. So you have to write this e to the power 2x in the form of e to the power x whole square. Okay. So let us write here I is equal to integration of, this is e to the power x dx divided by 5 minus 4 e to the power x minus e to the power x whole square. Okay. So now you can assume e to the power x as z, because this differentiation is e to the power x, right? So let us do the method of substitution now. Let z is equal to e to the power x. So let us write here differentiating both the sides. Differentiating both the sides with respect to x. So therefore this is dz by dx is equal to, this is e to the power x, or dz is equal to e to the power x dx. That means we are getting the value of the numerator. That is, what is the value for e to the power x dx? It is dz. So now what is I? So therefore I is equal to integration of, what is e to the power x dx? That is your dz divided by, it is 5 minus 4, what is e to the power x? It is z, and minus z square. So again there is term containing constant 5z, term containing z, that is minus 4z, and minus z square is there. So you have to convert into perfect square form first. So always make the coefficient of z square positive 1. So let us convert it into standard integral form. So before that, make the coefficient of z square positive 1. So here z square is there, z is also there. You have to convert into perfect square form. So therefore I is equal to integration of, in the numerator we have dz here divided by, minus is taken common. So within bracket, what do we get? Minus into minus plus z square, minus into minus plus 4z, then minus into plus minus 5. So it is minus 5. Is that clear to all of you? So minus is taken common. So within bracket we have, this is z square plus 4z minus 5. Okay. तो यो माइनस साइनलाई हामीले आफै नै कमन निकाल्दै छौं, त्यही कारणले गर्दा यो माइनस साइन इन्टिग्रल बाहिर ननिकाल्नु। यो माइनसलाई फेरि यहाँ भित्रबाट हामी मल्टिप्लाई गर्छौं। त पहिला चाहिँ हामी यसलाई के फर्ममा लान्छौं? पर्फेक्ट स्क्वायर फर्ममा लान्छौं, z स्क्वायर प्लस 4z लाई। So or I is equal to integral sin dz divided by minus, within second bracket, what is a whole square? This is your z whole square plus 2 into, what is a? A is z. What should be the value for b here, so that we can have 4z here? 2z is already there. By which number will you multiply this 2z to get 4z? Into 2 plus, then what do you write? What is b whole square? That is 2 whole square. So, but what is 2 whole square? 4. We are getting z square, it's correct. Plus 4z is also correct. But there is plus 4, but here we have got minus 5. So, plus 4 is not here. So, you first write minus 5. But since plus 4 is not there, you have to write minus 4. So, here second bracket is closed. So, I think you have understood it. Okay. Or I is equal to integration of, this is your dz divided by minus, within second bracket, a square plus 2ab plus b whole square. What is the formula? It is z plus 2 whole square, right? And this is minus 9. Minus 9 can be written as 3 whole square. Is it clear now? So let us multiply by minus sign here. Or I is equal to integration of, this is dz divided by, minus into minus plus, this is your 3 whole square minus, and this is z plus 2 whole square. Is that clear to all of you? So I think you have understood it. So this is the formula number 3, that is integration of third standard form. a square minus x square, isn't it? Here instead of a there is 3, instead of x there is z plus 2. So what is the formula that you can use here? This is 1 upon twice a log within mod a plus x upon a minus x, mod sign close, the base is e, then plus c. So here, what is the value for a in this case? It is 3. And what is the value for x in this case? It is z plus 2. So what is the formula that you can use here? That is, this is the third standard integral. So it is 1 upon twice a. 1 upon 2 into a is 3 log within mod. What is a plus x? 3 plus z plus 2, plus into plus is plus 2 divided by a minus x. What is a minus x? 3 minus z minus into plus minus 2 mod sign closed plus c. Okay, so in the next step, or I is equal to 1 upon, this is 3 2s are 6. This is the base e, you can write here base e. So log within mod, here the base is e. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus, put the value for z. What is z? It is e to the power x divided by 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 minus, and what is z in this case? Here the value for z is e to the power x. So here you can write e to the power x, mod sign closed, base e, and this is plus c. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. So this much is for today. त एउटा मैले होमवर्क दिएछु त्यो घरमा गर्ने, यो सबै घरमा रिभिजन गर्ने, यो सबै प्रब्लम्सहरु इम्पोर्टेन्ट हो. ठीक छ? So you revise all the problems that we did today. So in the next online class we'll do more problems on this standard integrals. Okay, so this much is for today.